Yo, what's going on, people? Digi here, back with another video. I'm going to do a short video tutorial about the PrimeXBT exchange today. But before we get started, I'm just going to introduce you to our new exchange listings page. The idea is we're going to list all the exchanges here in crypto. Users can search by our rating, by the features, transfer, affiliate, sign up bonus, the affiliate revenue fees for sign up, mobile app, no KYC, US users, two factor, etc. And yeah, the idea is we want to provide value for when you're using exchange, you can actually check beforehand to see if it's any good or not. So enough about that. Today we're actually going to be looking at the Prime XBT exchange. I'm going to try and keep this review a little bit short, so under 10 minutes. Don't want to spend too much time on this. So quickly, just to show you our exchange review format, we score all exchange reviews out of 100. As you can see, PrimeXBT scored an impressive 90 out of 100, giving it an A+ rating. We liked a lot of the features about the exchange, and we'll explain them below. But as you can see, give a little bit of a conclusion here. Basically, the idea is, lots of good features around the exchange, but I think several areas that can be improved to get a higher score are, improving the team information and also the company behind PrimeXBT. We can only see very limited information on the website. Again, this is sufficient. We like to see company info, full company name, registration number, and location. However, there is no team info. We always like to see a little bit around the team, CEO, people working there, LinkedIn profiles, their experience, etc. But coming on to the positive features and the strengths around the exchange, the platform provides a very excellent trading experience for users. Traders able to choose from a wide range of trading pairs alongside innovative trading instruments. Users are able to utilize advanced trading features, including single or double click trading execution, allowing you to save time in your trades. And also a couple of key features that we wanted to mention was the Covesting module, which takes the user experience to another level by allowing traders to set up trading management funds or access existing funds to increase their portfolio. It must be noted that the Covesting module is still in beta. We're watching keenly to see how it develops and helps the platform grow overall. So some of the strengths we want to talk about before we jump on the platform is a range of trading pairs and instruments available. So go ahead and check that out. So as you can see, the whole host of trading pairs here, including your traditional crypto pairs with USD, BTC, but also a ton of forex pairs available. You've got your big indices, Dow, S&P, etc., and also got your commodities with gold, silver, etc. Here you go. So that's a huge number of pairs available. In terms of the advanced trading features we talked about, so one-click trading, if you want to save time on your trading, literally you're able to do it one click. I either don't have funds at the moment, but if this was live, it would basically just go straight in. To highlight the difference, we'll go back to regular trading and show you the trading process. So as you see, pretty much users are used to this, buy and sell, and you also have the option to basically put in your stop and advanced trading options. Trading platform itself is clean, slick. There is a mobile app available, and also one of the cool features, all these features that you see here, customizable. You can add, remove widgets, can basically add more dashboards as and when you please. The account itself, a couple of things we wanted to talk about. There is a fiat gateway for the platform, so if you want to deposit funds, you have the option of depositing via a credit card, debit card. Just something to remind the listeners out there, if you are using this method, there is about 4-5% premium for doing this. The feature is provided by CEX, so you are paying extra to do this on the platform, so just something to bear in mind. And yeah, in terms of the platform itself, very easy to trade on here, whole host of trading options. and you can pretty much get started straight away. There is no KYC to register or trade on the platform. One area improvement we recommend to PrimeXBT is implementing your two-factor as mandatory before depositing any funds on the platform. So I can see here, pretty much optional before I'm able to do that. And also for notifications, if you want to include withdrawal request and withdrawal completion to let users know when withdrawals are attempted or occurred on the account. One last thing around this as well, we also recommend implementing another layer of 2FA. So again, whether that's email, an email code, an email approval request, or a non-tamper-proof code via the platform, just always gives me much more reassurance when I see a trading platform that makes me do two things to withdraw any money. Moving on. Also want to touch on the innovative trading features on PrimeXBT. So the first thing I want to show you is the Turbo module. Basically, if anyone doesn't know, this is binary options. Basically, you trade yes or no, up or down, within a set period of time. If your trade is over the parameter or under the parameter that you requested, then you'll get paid. If vice versa, then you'll lose any funds that you placed in the trade. So just a quick example of this. The minimum trade here would be 10 thousandths of a Satoshi. Now my potential profit on this, as you can see in the payout here, would be anything from 65 to 85% of the trade amount. So what I'm trying to show you here is that it's not a one-to-one ratio. If you have two losing trades, it's going to take you potentially 3, maybe 4 winning trades to basically make that up. So just something to bear in mind. Do not use this turbo feature if you are a novice trader coming from the altcoin market. This is only something recommended for highly experienced traders who know what they're doing and experienced in trading binary options. I'm going to give you a quick example of how this works. So let's do gold USD. So let's give an example. I feel that high is going to be broken. Yep, it already has. I'm going to do this on a 1 minute. That high has now been broken. We're now looking for continued momentum to take out this high. Now, trade has been placed. That's the time frame for the trade to be closed. That's the amount that's been invested, and here's the expected profit. Well, I'm in a loss here right now, so the profit will be the loss will be the invested amount. Hopefully we'll see this turn around. Doesn't look like it. Actually going for new lows. Come on, son. Triple bottom. Go on. You know you can do it. So as you can see, this very much turns into gambling if you don't know what you're doing. I did this with no trade plan, no trading method, no historic results of this trade plan working. As you can see, it's no different from gambling, where I'm actually willing the trade to pull through. So getting closer to the time for the trade to expire now. As you can see, it's highlighting. Unfortunately, we're going to trade close out just at a loss. Yeah, so there you go. You have the option of your duration here and the amount. Again, if someone's going to do this, please watch a detailed tutorial about trading binary options, either on PrimeXBT or on YouTube, before you actually go ahead with that. Actually, I'm going to put another trade on just because I feel like this momentum is going to go through. Actually, put 2 on because I'm going to need to get 2 to break even from my 1 loss. To show you that, well, that's waiting to pull through. A couple of more weaknesses we wanted to talk about for the platform. Trading interface can actually seem a little complicated, so something like this. The traditional trading interface that I showed you. Again, we recommend users, before you trade any live funds on here, try a demo account, just get used to the platform, trade very small amounts on your live, and basically don't go gung-ho onto this until you know what you're doing. So just zoom in on this trade just before we move on. As you can see, coming up to closure time here, we want to see a strong breakout. This is essentially 1 second, 1 tick chart. Yep, 1 trade closed out in profit, and the second one as well. So happy days there. Going back to what we were saying, sorry, I'm just getting distracted. It's very much an addictive trading platform. So key thing we wanted to talk about on the review was the co-vesting module, just to keep the video short as well. For anyone who's not aware, anyone who's not aware, sorry, I'm just kind of looking at this drink. I want to have a sip. Sorry, I'm just going to take a sip of my drink. So anyone who's not aware, hopefully that's a bit better. Co-vesting is basically a copy trade platform, copy trade module, however you want to phrase it. Very similar to the one broker, how it was back in the day. You have a trader who's successful, who shows his profits or losses in real time, and it's basically based on his performance or the performance of traders. Users are able to invest in their fund and get a return. So if you have a look at the real deal, he's showing his total profit. He's the best trader on the platform, been trading for 43 days. In that time, he's got 123% profit, very impressive. And also, it shows you how much equity he's managing as well. So in terms of the returns, you can see the more you invest, the more you will get back. The breakdown is basically split between the fund manager, which will be this guy, the platform, which is PrimeXBT, and investor, which could be you. As you can see, there's basically a sliding tier where the more you invest, the less the platform gets, the more you get. But as a manager, fund manager, your amount stays consistent at 20%. Now, 20% of returns is fantastic. You know, there are not many hedge fund managers who take that amount. So if you're good at trading and you're making money in crypto, in equities, in stocks, in commodities, you need to jump on here right now and add another 20% to your income for very little work. So that's the co-vesting feature. Now, anyone who wants to get involved, you can set up your own fund very easily. Let's say Grow Digi's Ballers, pump it. That's my strategy. Basically, I can indicate my role over time and the amount I want to invest. Now, minimum required is 0.5 BTC. So let's say give or take $500 or so. There's not much. Anyone out there who's worth their salt should be trading on here. I'm seeing man on Twitter talking about buying houses with elevators inside. Yeah, right. Don't see his name on here. So anyway, if you want to get involved, it's currently in beta right now, so you have to request access to become a fund manager. Unfortunately, portfolio function is not available, so you can't copy trade anyone right now. But this will be coming soon in the close future, and personally, I'll be very interested to see how this rolls out. I'm going to be setting up a fund on here as well. So anyone interested in copying me, just check me out. You can see my name, you know who I'll be. Coming back to the review, I want to wrap this up. You can see basic information about the exchange on here, you know, a little bit of information there, trading volume, trading fees, etc. But yeah, you know, in terms of the exchange platform itself, very impressed. If you want to check it out, I would highly recommend you start off on a demo account. I think I must have said that like 3 times, but I can't stress this enough. This is totally different to any sort of traditional crypto trading platform you're used to. The whole trading experience is different, including how you trade, the lots, the amounts, etc. The margin is available, so again, I recommend you get used to margin trading on here before you fully integrate. But all in all, I would recommend that you try the platform. There are a lot of key features on here that kind of take your trading to a new level. First off is the ability to just trade very quickly. Don't know if I mentioned it, the 1-click, 2-click regular trading basically just saves you a hell of a lot of time. You can just press it once, you're able to trade. I don't want to implement that right now. The whole host of trading pairs, if you want to take advantage of a trending market at any particular time, you can jump on here and do so. Although obviously crypto platforms don't offer that. And I think the key thing that's going to see this platform grow is the co-vesting module. If you're a good trader, get on here, start getting people following you. Now you can see the number of investors is decent. You can grow on here very quickly. And yeah, all in all, very impressed. There are a few areas of recommendation that I'm going to send over to the team itself. We always give a post consultation to any exchange that we review. So, if any exchanges out there is listening, watching, get in touch with us for a review. We will give you a consultation included on top of that. And yeah, final thoughts are, if you like the review, please hit a like and subscribe. If you like our exchange listings, please check it out, share it amongst your friends. And if you kind of like the work we're doing, we don't charge you for reading these reviews, etc. Any help you can give us, we'll be signing up to the exchange review that you like. Any affiliate fees that are generated go towards the development of the platform and the website, and keeping this content coming for you. One of the things I want to mention, in fact, before we go, all of the sign-ups that we have on our platform offer a bonus as well. So, bonuses are in the review details themselves. For PrimeXBT, we've got a special offer here for you guys. Anyone who signs up under our link will get a 35% deposit bonus. So, well worth trying out. Again, if anyone's interested in signing up, just hit the link on the review page itself. There you go. And you will get a 35% sign-up bonus courtesy of Proof of Review and PrimeXBT. So there you have it, folks. If there's anything we've missed out, anything you want further information on, hit us up. We obviously try and keep these reviews short and concise. We can't cover everything. We try and cover the most information we can. But the reviews are highly detailed. We cover 100 individual metrics that we score the platform on. So if you've missed anything out, just let us know. So you can hear my phone beeping away in the background. So we'll wrap it up there for today, folks. Please hit the like, subscribe, and yeah,